Standard 3.2 promotes student behaviors that encourage curiosity as they critically identify and examine online resources. In this lesson, students were asked to preview videos and then look at different websites to determine the credibility of those sites using the read it, check it, and wait method. At the beginning of the lesson, the students were asked to watch videos on BrainPop, including online sources, online safety, and internet search. Those videos can be found on brainpop.com. Each one addresses different aspects of online safety and using different websites. This one specifically looks at how some of it might be considered fool's gold. So Tim and Moby from BrainPop have different tools to determine whether a source can be trusted. After watching those 3 BrainPop videos, the students were then asked to go to Common Sense Media to look at an article on 5 ways to spot fake news. In this article, the students were to watch the video, and then when they scrolled down, they were looking specifically at these questions to determine what to do when encountering a piece of media. So they're looking at who made it, who the target audience is, who paid for it, who might benefit or be harmed from the message, what is left out of the message, and is it credible? After going through all of those videos and the article, the students were then provided with 3 different websites on the tree octopus. Here is one, Help Save the Endangered Pacific Northwest Tree Octopus from Extinction. Here's another one on the tree octopi. And then a Wikipedia page on the Pacific Northwest tree octopus. After going through each of those websites, the students were then asked to go visit the websites again and use the read it, check it, and wait method. They were to read the whole article because sometimes the headlines can be misleading. They were then asked to check it by asking themselves who wrote the article, what is it written for, check the date of publication, and if there's any additional information online that matches the information being presented in that website. The last step is to wait. If the information appeared too good to be true, they needed to ask an adult to determine the credibility. Once students went through the read it, check it, and wait methodology, they determined that the tree octopus was not real. Moving forward, students will use the read it, check it, and wait method to determine whether the sources they are using for research projects or research in general are credible.